Landed at 12. Got my luggage about like 1 a.m. Got home at 2. Slept for 3 hours. Wasn't gonna miss a stream. And we here, baby.
Hey, home hanging on my neck.
Their value is 6:30 a.m. Eastern to 10 a.m. Eastern every day on FOREX LIVESTREAMS. That's the area of value.
You mean zone of interest?
Price action? Price action? Come on, clean traffic. I'm not. Area of value, I'm referring to as 6:30 a.m. Eastern to 10 a.m. Eastern every day. Come to the streams every day, not just one day, because you saw me win a trade on IG, whatever, right? Come every day. Be consistent. Show up. Over time, you'll learn quite a bit. By the way, 25 fucking K on IG. Thank you guys. 26 actually now. Almost 30K.
All organic. Didn't buy a single one.
I think I gained 10K in the last 3 weeks. It was a 1 hour. Yeah, slash 30. Like technically, like the 4 flip breakout lows would be ideal. That would be pretty clean, but at this point, you might as well wait for the 1 hour close, right? And 30 closure below. The 1 hour close below means the 30-minute close below as well. It will clear that range out there to the left, and then you can take sells off the breakout lows on the 4.
Why does it matter? You're margined out anyway. You can't add any more positions. You guys are full risk, full margin right now on gold. You're gonna try to add a position right now in GJ and go. People are fucking having heart attacks right now. Where's it coming from? Almost done.
I can see that bullshit from a mile away.
Oh, that was pretty fire. That was pretty fire. That was pretty fire, right, chat? That was pretty fire. That was pretty fire. That was pretty sick. That was pretty fire. That was pretty fire. That was pretty fire, yo. Ooh, not cooking up.
Do we drive? No, we do not drive.
That was kind of lit. That was kind of lit. You gotta clip that. Alright, Kanye West, call me up, man. Call me up. I can be producer for the next Donda 2 album. I was up today, 1.3%. Should I continue or call it a day? Whatever you feel comfortable with, you know. If you want to call it a day 1.3, you can call it. If not, so be it. Continue on. But it's up to you. I can't make that decision for you. Right? I also say to myself that like I treat every trade differently. Like if I'm up 1% from one trade, then that didn't happen. On to the next trade. Right? It's a new idea that it's completely new. Oh shit. Okay. For the trip. It was chill. We got a lot of content, so good trip. Good trip. A lot of content. Talked about devious stuff. Got some nature. It was a good trip. You know what's a good trip? When you sit in the balcony and you're like, life's good right now. That's when you know it's a good trip. So it was a pretty chill trip.